Hello everyone, welcome to Light Engineer. In this video, we are going to see the free courses which are provided by IIT Madras and IIM Ahmedabad. Okay, so what you have to do is just a link is given in the description. What you have to do, just click on the link and this website will open. Okay, you will say this is of GUVI. Okay, it is not by IIT Madras and IIM Ahmedabad. So I will show you that certificates that are provided. It's valid for IIT Madras and IIMs because they are only the sponsors of this. Okay, means like if I want to do just like this step into robotics automation, see IIT Madras and IIMs, not only this course, all course whichever is there is provided. It's certified by IIT Madras and IIMs. Okay, you can see, and one more organization is there. I don't know about this. Okay, so you can see there are so many courses like game development using Pygame. I think it's a PyCharm they are using for game development, means Python only. Okay, this Python special extra course is there. In this, how many lessons are there? What is the time limit? What is the language of the course? Everything is written here. So these many courses are available here, free of cost. Okay, see this free of cost of available here. So if you want to enroll any course, see, just you have to just click on that course. If I need like Python, I will just click on enroll now. See, this is open. Okay, now I have to do this enroll. See, it's 0 rupees it is written here. Okay, so before enrolling here, I will suggest you first you register here, because if I click on enroll from here, it will ask me to put from here sign in options. Okay, you can go from here also, but I will prefer you to go first on register and then do enroll, because it is better to go little long way, but it will show you different paths. I think more free courses will come if you go like that. Okay, see, this is a course that you can learn step into robotic automation and game development. If you're interested to develop any game, okay, so you can learn this course. There's so many things it will teach you in this course, like syllabus. If you see Pygame codes and all loops and all, it will show snake game also you can make from this. Okay, different games. Okay, when certificate you will get, you will have the stamp of IIT Madras and IIMs. Fine. So in this video we are ending it here. If you want to enroll, you can enroll from here. If you want me to show you how to enroll, okay, I will show you how to enroll this course. First go on here, register. Okay, then sign up with the Google also you can do, or name also you can type here. Like my name is Mayank, I will type Mayank Arora. My email ID @gmail.com. Next password I will type something. Okay, next password. Next one I will type my mobile number, something I'll just type, or I will leave it blank. I'm a student. If you click this, you have to select your roll number and your institute. Like my institute is National Institute of Technology. If you are also from National Institute of Technology or IIT, just type National Institute of Technology. It will not ask which National Institute of Technology you are. Okay, it came na, just National Institute of Technology. Just type your roll number and select. But if you are not from any student or you're just from any industry, just untick it. So after you log in, you will see this window. Okay, in this paid courses, you can see there are different courses. These all are paid, but some of the courses are unpaid, like 0 rupees, right? Like game development using PyCharm, Pygame. Okay, and this is a step into robotic process automation. If I want to buy this, I will just click on enroll now. Okay, enroll now. From here also enroll now. Just click here, enroll now. Okay, after clicking here enroll now, it will automatically take us to window. It has been activated. Okay, go to the course. I will start learning from here. See, I will start learning from here by clicking on this. If I want more courses, like two more courses are free now. So I'll click here enroll now one more time. This step into robotic process automation. I'll click here enroll now. Okay, here it is asking from me my college name. Okay, I can type my college name. Okay, then type any college name if you are not studying anywhere. So National Institute of Technology. I think it is not showing. A random college I will keep here. Okay, any random college, like something I'll keep here, and just I'll enroll now. Okay, so the course has been activated. If you can learn from here free of cost, no need to pay anything. So 2 courses, one more course was there, 3 course was there. We have to search that another course, or you can click the same link which I've given in the description. Directly click there, enroll now, and already you have a login in ID, so no need to go and sign in again. Okay, then you will get one more course for free. So now there are 3 courses for free of cost. Thank you for watching this video, guys.